A Bombobini Gusini Corner and the Babbitt Rolls presents Ice Bro vs Natalie Cat, Stephanie, Cat unfreezes Natalie Cat UNGROUNDED.
I'm Ice Bro, and today, I'm going to freeze Natalie Cat.
At Natalie Cat's house.
Man, it sure is a nice day today. Nothing can ruin my day. Ice Bro, what are you doing here at my house? You aren't welcome here.
Hey Natalie Cat, tá que diz? Yai, e froze Natalie Cat? No to ruim ao ai before.
Not so fast, Ice Bro.
Oh no, it's Clara.
That's right. Also, Ice Bro, how dare you freeze my daughter Natalie Cat? You know that you can get arrested for doing that. That's it. I'm calling your brothers about this. Go home right now.
Fine. If you sai sudoeste.
When Ice Bro got home.
Ice Bro, we just got a call from Clara. She told us that you froze Natalie Cat. You know that you can get arrested for doing that. Curve Bro is right. That's it. We are giving you 1 week of your grounding time. Go upstairs to your room right now and think about what you have done.
Yes, brutes. If you all sai sudoeste.
Meanwhile at Stephanie Cat's house.
Man, I can't believe Ice Bro froze my friend Natalie Cat. I wonder what I should do to unfreeze her. Wait, that gives me an idea. I'm going to go to her house and unfreeze her by heater.
When Stephanie Cat got to Natalie Cat's house.
Hey Natalie Cat, I'm here to unfreeze you because Ice Bro froze you. Guy, I'm finally unfrozen. Thank you very much, Stephanie Cat. You're welcome, Natalie Cat.
Natalie Cat, why are you unfrozen?
Well, Mom, Stephanie Cat unfroze me.
Really? Stephanie Cat, thanks for unfrozing Natalie Cat. Just for this, I'm calling your parents about this. You can go home now. But living room is wet. So, caution. Wet floor.
When Stephanie Cat got home.
Stephanie Cat, we are very happy for you for unfrozing Natalie Cat. Because Ice Bro froze her.
Just because of that, you are ungrounded. You may do whatever you want to do.
Oh, thank you, Mom and Dad. You are the best parents ever.